Okay, lie down. Wait, madam. Okay. Lie down.
Wala, may magdaan. Aroy, wala na.
That's gold. May silver. Talaba. Silver.
Yeah. You can leave like this, just leave it. Yes, yes. I'm not looking. Здесь.
Okay, ma'am, sir. Wag po kayo matakot ha. Don't panic. That's organic. We're gonna pass there on the hall. Okay? A little bit move. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Pasok na pasok tayong lahat. Mag-hi muna sa vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Tutut! Tutut! Tutut!
然后你稍微就是比如说你往下走的那种，对，这样走。
对。
Yes po yan. Oyster.
可以开吗？你要伟哥，你要放大。就是要放大，然后开那个 turns me， 所以你可以上来一
Wait
点，
lang po ha. Ayun na po, malapit na po. Isa na lang.
让我看你没有往
One more. Okay.
I cleared the snakes out.
We're going in. Do not hold on the top. Do not hold on the top. Do not hold on the ceiling. Ooh. Close your eyes. Open your mouth. Down your nose. All right. That's it. Up. Yung isa nag-climbing. Wow.
Very good.
Very good. Oh. And this is a view inside the second lagoon. And that one, it's way for going here. And my guest today, the one.
So, ano
That-
tawag sa lagoon na to? Is the big, the Twin Lagoon.
Twin Lagoon. God bless you.
Yeah. I'm torn, so I want to go in the spring and like it would be really cool to do like salmon fishing, but also the mosquitoes.
Sorry, nagmamayin ako.